Okay, aloha everybody, BrandonWiper.com, live Bethel, Alaska. So the statement of the evening is Brandon not allowing Kahea to buy pants that has holes in them, like that.
No?
The pukas.
That's right.
Unacceptable is what her daddy said.
Kahealani, mark my word.
That you're gonna buy whatever kind of clothes you're gonna have. What you said?
What did you say?
No, I just repeating what you said.
The
That
Kahea
Kahea can buy
will not
any kind of clothes
wear
she like.
or buy
Okay.
pants like that.
So,
Right there, pants like
in
that.
summary, Dad said you can pants that like
buy
that.
clothes like that.
That's what
Hey,
Daddy said. Buy
no,
clothes
that's
with
lie.
puka
Who lie
inside.
you? Why you gonna bully like that for?
I'm not bullying.
That's bullying.
All I doing is repeating what you said.
Oh, I'm not there.
Try say them again.
You know what? That's Matt Gavin. Don't be Matt Gavin what I'm saying. No, don't hook up pants. Don't hook up pants. Ain't even worth it. Would anybody pay $50 for pants like that?
Yes.
Like who?
You.
No, I would never, ever.
Mark this day.
Mark this day.
Mark this day.
Hell on.
December 3rd,
Your father tell you
2011.
right now.
That you can buy
would
any kind of
never,
clothes you
ever,
like.
Ever.
That you going ever. You gonna go
think
ever
about it,
beach.
I go no.
Or you gonna travel ever. Ever side.
But all I know, I heard this. We're gonna have this conversation again and again and again and again.
It's gonna be the same conversation like her wearing makeup.
No. Not wearing makeup either. No, not wearing makeup.
You know
When
that's
you wear makeup, that means
no.
can
You realize you're contradicting your own culture.
Boy, oh, I never wear makeup back in the old time.
Did you just hear what he said?
Kahealani does not need to be wearing makeup. Avon.
See, Kahea, Daddy just said you can wear makeup
No, I
and
never
Avon.
think you can wear makeup, Kahealani.
That's what Daddy just
No, I
said.
never say that.
Uh-huh.
No.
Witnesses. See? Witnesses.
Oh my goodness.
Witnesses. Okay, so summary, you can wear makeup
No, you
from
can't.
Avon
Kahealani
and you can
wear
buy
makeup
pants with
and you can wear
puka.
puka pants.
Thank you for joining
Yeah.
BrandonWiper.com.
Once again, www.brandonwiper.com.